Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the power of Indian festival. So let's start. Joy, togetherness and economic growth. The power of Indian festival. Culture and festival a boost to economic growth. India is a land of festivals where every single day and there is a festival, and we are such a diverse country that from different religion, communities, place, caste, etc. Comes together and celebrate the festival with joy and happiness. Festival are the melting point of our nation. They build people to people contact, community to community contact, and religion to religion contact, and most importantly, heart to heart connect. Festival always a country of great civilization. As Indians we must to have such festival in our nation. From Diwali to Guru Nanak Jayanti and Pongal to Onam to Bihu to only country in the world where people from different different faiths live and celebrate together. There is not a single place in the world where one can experience such a difficult mm, ex, mm, there is not a single place in the world where one can experience such a delightful atmosphere there. Festival is not only bring joy and pleasure but also boost the economy of our nation. Festivals are a crucial engage of the growth of our economy. They bring a small scale uh, consumer revolution in the country for a short period of time. Big festival like Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Baisakhi, Christmas, Holi, etc. celebrate the most of the economy. Diwali, India's largest economic festival. Say consumer spending 4 lakh crore in 2024 with an estimated spending of more than 5 to 6 lakh crore in 2025 period. um, provide the reduced GST rate in various goods. Eid ul Fitr has shown an increase of at least 10% of spending 10% of spending compared to 2024. In addition, festivals like Christmas, Baisakhi, Holi, Navratri, etc. have already shown an in increment of 7 to 15% compared to last year. Consumer spending in increasing year by year, which is a good sign of the which is a good sign of the overall health of our economy. Festivals are a leverages leverage and leverages that are civilizational and natural, and that any other country neither has nor can build. Hence, with the right ideology, right attitude, and narrate, right narrative, extremely crucial for us as a nation. Our festival no bring uh, prosperity to the lives of the people, but at the same time forget the sensitivity of our festivals. Since festivals are celebrated among different people who have different view, ideology, faith, religion, and conduct, it is very crucial for each of other and one of us to respect oaths, faith, festival, religion, and sentiments, because if any kind of cla- classes happen in any part of the country, even a small part it can ignite classes in the whole nation, which will result in an extreme loss situation for our uh, for us as a nation. On one hand, we will lose the trust, happiness, joy, smiles, prosperity, and peace among the people. One of other hand, have havoc at the time of festival, especially Diwali, Holi, Ramadan, Baisakhi, etc., can bring our economy by 4 to 5% in the long run. At least I will say the celebrating any festival with the moral responsibility of respecting others' faith is the key to gaining the maximum advantage of civilizational leverage. We all must celebrate together, share happiness and joy together, live together, enjoy together, and spend together as a family and as a nation. Thank you.